Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about design systems. So, do you know what design system is? So, let's get started. The design system is a collection of reusable components, guidelines, and assets that are used to create a consistent and cohesive user experience across different products, platforms, and devices. It provides a set of predefined rules, principles, and best practices for designing and developing digital products. A design system typically includes a variety of elements such as design principles, high-level guidelines that define the overall design approach and philosophy of the system. Branding elements, logos, colors, typography, and other visual elements that reflect the brand identity. UI components, pre-designed user interface elements such as buttons, forms, navigation menus, cards, and more. Design patterns, commonly used interaction and layout patterns that ensure consistency and usability. Guidelines and documentation, detailed instructions, rules, and examples on how to use and implement the design system. Accessibility considerations, guidelines and techniques to ensure that the design system is accessible to all users. Code snippets and assets, ready-to-use code snippets, icon sets, images, and other digital assets that support the design system. By adopting a design system, organizations can streamline their design and development processes, enhance collaboration between teams, maintain visual and functional consistency, and improve the overall user experience of their products and services. A design system offers several benefits to organizations and design teams. It provides a consistent visual and interactive language, ensuring a cohesive user experience. By offering reusable components and guidelines, it improves efficiency and scalability, enabling teams to easily create and maintain consistent designs. Design systems foster collaboration among team members and contribute to improved user experience by providing familiar patterns and visual cues. They also help maintain and reinforce a brand's identity, streamline maintenance and updates, and enhance overall design consistency. By leveraging a design system, organizations can deliver exceptional user experiences and achieve greater efficiency in their design processes. Okay, now let's talk about some of the most popular design systems. There are several popular design systems that have gained recognition and adoption within the design community. The first is material design. Developed by Google, material design is a widely used design system that provides a comprehensive set of guidelines, principles, and components for creating visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces across different platforms and devices. Another well-known design system is IBM Design Language. IBM Design Language is a design system crafted by IBM to create consistent and cohesive experiences across their products and services. It focuses on accessibility, usability, and visual clarity, while providing a vast library of design assets. Next is Salesforce Lightning Design System. Salesforce Lightning Design System offers designers and developers a robust set of design principles, guidelines, and components to build unified and user-centric experiences within the Salesforce ecosystem. It promotes a scalable and consistent design approach. Next is Atlassian Design System. Atlassian Design System, also known as ADG, is a design system created by Atlassian for their suite of collaboration tools. It provides a unified visual language, reusable components, and best practices for creating cohesive and intuitive user experiences. Another well-known design system is Carbon Design System. Carbon Design System is an open-source design system developed by IBM. It offers a range of components, patterns, and guidelines for designing enterprise-grade applications with a focus on accessibility, modularity, and consistency. And the next is Shopify Polaris. Shopify Polaris is a design system specifically tailored for designing e-commerce experiences. It provides a set of guidelines, components, and resources to help designers create cohesive and user-friendly interfaces for Shopify-powered online stores. And today's last we want to share is Ant Design. Ant Design is a design system created by Ant Group, offering a comprehensive set of design principles and components for building efficient and visually appealing user interfaces. It is widely used in various industries, especially in the Chinese tech ecosystem. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful in your design journey. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, tips, and insights that will help you enhance your design skills and stay ahead in the industry. So if you want to stay inspired, learn new techniques, and be a part of our growing community, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for your time and support. We appreciate every single one of you.